For this video, I will talk about 8 warning signs you should not ignore. We know that many people are afraid to visit a doctor or hospital. We like to delay seeing a doctor for as long as we can. However, there are some warning signs that will tell you that you need to see a doctor immediately. Here they are. Number 1, you feel bothersome chest pains. Chest pain can be due to muscle and bone pain, or it can be due to more serious heart problems. The important thing is to check if you have risk factors for heart disease. For example, if you are middle-aged, a smoker, if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, and underlying disease, then you are at risk for heart disease. If you are in a highly stressed job and situation, be careful too. Number 2, severe abdominal pain. Any intense pain needs a doctor's attention. There are many abdominal problems such as appendicitis, gallstones, kidney infections, and women with pelvic infections. Consult a doctor to be sure. Number 3, severe shortness of breath. It is normal to be short of breath when exercising or climbing up the stairs. However, if you have a wheezing sound, be asthma or bronchitis. A sudden shortness of breath can be due to lung infections, heart failure, or even a leg embolism. Number 4, sudden weakness of the arm or leg. Also, sudden slurring of speech and confusion. These are the telltale signs of a stroke. Even if these symptoms go away, you still need to see a neurologist. There are so-called mini strokes and transient ischemic attacks, where the weakness is not that apparent and may return to normal. Do not ignore these signs because this could lead to a bigger stroke in the future. Number 5, you have high fever for more than 3 days. Usual cases of the flu or colds last only a few days. However, if your symptoms are more severe and long-lasting, then you may have a more serious infection. It could be pneumonia, COVID, or some other disease. Number 6, losing weight suddenly without dieting. Sudden weight loss can be due to an overactive thyroid or uncontrolled diabetes. As a general rule, if you've lost more than 10% of your body weight in the last 6 months and you're not overweight, see your doctor. I don't want to scare you, but there are instances when loss of weight is the only warning sign of an underlying cancer. Number 7, you have abnormal bleeding. If there is blood in your stools, this could be due to hemorrhoids or some bowel problem. If you cough out phlegm that is blood-tinged, then you need to get your lungs checked. Any abnormal and profuse vaginal bleeding needs to be investigated by an OB gynecologist. Number 8, you have thoughts of harming yourself. Even if it's just a passing thought, it's good to tell it to someone who cares for you. Feelings of hopelessness and depression are not normal. Don't be ashamed to seek medical help. Psychotherapy and medicines can help you a lot. Finally, remember to trust your instincts. If you feel that something could be wrong, it's best to consult a doctor.